Meow. Meow.
Whiskers the cat, who believed he was the king of the castle, loved chasing a laser pointer dot every evening. One night, Max the golden retriever joined in the fun, trying to catch the elusive dot. When the laser slipped under the couch, both pets ended up tangled and knocking over a bowl of popcorn. Covered in popcorn leftovers, they abandoned the chase and decided to team up instead. From then on, Whiskers provided stealth while Max brought brute force, leading to delightful mischief and many shared snacks.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.